Yes, Khushbu, are you there? Yeah, okay.
Is my slide visible, sir?
Ha, yes, but you'll have to rotate your screen. Yes, now, okay, yes, now it is visible.
Good afternoon, everyone. Sir, just a minute. There is echo, sir. Is screen visible?
Yes.
Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. Today's my presentation is on Kazao Ishiguro's Artist of the Floating World and Japanese influence on this novel, and how we see that the Japanese language has influenced in this novel also and in karate also.
Play the presentation.
Sir, Kazao Ishiguro is a Japanese-born British novelist. In this novel, we find that all the characters are named according to the Japanese culture, and we see that the ukiyo-e is the Japanese art, and the meaning, it is translation is the picture of the floating world. This novel is set in the post-World War II Japan, and the genre of this novel is historical fiction and global literature. Here we find some three paintings which are very interesting, pleasure seeking, which comes from the ukiyo-e style. We find that the pleasure seeking people and very beautiful, happy people and life. Here we see that various how karate is a Japanese art and how it is a very we can say popular art even in our country also, and which is also very helpful to us. This is the logo of karate, which is for India. Karate is one of the most widely practiced martial art forms in the world. Martial arts rely on acute physical coordination and mental focus. In all this time, there have been countless martial arts variations, and there are hundreds of disciplines practiced today. Here are some interesting terms from Japanese language which are used in karate. Kara means empty and te means hand. Karate means the art of fighting without weapons. And here are some interesting terms. Style Goju Ryu means hard and soft style. Name of karate uniform jacket. The top jacket is known as obagi. Pants that is judogi. Belt is known as obi, and the whole uniform is known as karate dogi. Uh, then badge, it is known as konken in Japanese. Uh, then there are various belts, that is grades in karate. White belt, that is shiro obi. Orange belt sha obi. Green belt mikaro obi. Brown belt cha obi. Black belt Kuru Obi and red belt Haka Obi. Red belt is the highest grade in karate which is given, and which is not found in India but in other countries. Sensei. Sensei means teacher, and especially in karate or martial arts or in any field. It is also it means someone who is born before you. Dojo means the place where we learn karate or in general class. What does one say while entering the dojo? Here are some terms which can be used to greet while entering the class in Japanese language. Oyo gozaimasu means good morning. Konnichiwa means good afternoon. Konbawa means good evening. Swate means sit down. Tate means stand up. Mukoso means close one's eyes. Mukoso no means open one's eyes. Then arigato gozaimasu means thank you very much. Sugi means these are some techniques which are used in karate. Sugi means punching, Yuki means blocking, Uchi means striking, Ate means elbow technique, Geri means kicking. Then here in this novel we find various character names which are Japanese names. Masuji Ono, which is narrator and protagonist of this novel. Noriko, it is the younger daughter of the Masuji Ono. Setsuko is the elder daughter which is already married. Suchu is the husband of Setsuko. Ichiro is the son of Setsuko and grandson of Masuji. The son-in-law of Noriko, Masuji Ono. Then Jiro Miyake, with whom the engagement of Noriko is cancelled. Kuroda is the most favorite student of Masuji Ono, but later on the conflict happens. Shintaro is the less favorite student of Masuji Ono. Seiji Moriyama, that is Morrison, from whom Masuji Ono learned the art of ukiyo-e, that is pleasure-seeking art. Then Yasuri Nakar, the tortoise. He is known as tortoise because he was very slow in his paintings and all that. Then Taro Saito, with whom the Norika got married in the end. Kazao Ishiguro, also known as Sir Kazao Ishiguro, was born on 8th November 1954, Nagasaki, Japan. And so we find the influence of Japanese culture, language, and all this in this novel. In 2017, he won the Nobel Prize for Literature. And interesting thing is that he is still alive also. Notable works are Never Let Me Go, An Artist of the Floating World, The Countess, Unconsoled, The Remains of the Day, When We Were Orphans, Appeal of the Hills. He is a very great writer, we can say, and he has got many great awards like Nobel Prize in 2017, Booker Prize in 1989, Costa Booker in 1986. This is the lines taken from the original text, An Artist of the Floating World by Kazao Ishiguro. When you are young, there are many things which appear dull and lifeless. But as you get older, you will find these are the very things that are most important to you. An artist's concern is to capture beauty wherever he finds it. So we find that some things which just now we feel that are of no use. But later on when we go ahead, then we discover that no, these were the most important things in life. So I appreciate the things when they are with us. These are my citations. Thank you.
Okay, you can stop presenting. Now it is very difficult to see how you connected karate with this novel. This name is fine, but there is, how do you see a deeper connection, anything in your mind? Why do you thought of connecting these two things?
Sir, in this karate is also a Japanese art, and in this novel we find that many words of Japanese language are used. And karate is also a Japanese. In karate also I find that many Japanese words are used. So when I used to go to karate, then in that many words like good morning, thank you very much, all we have to use Japanese language only. So there is connection of language, Japanese language.
But how connection means what? The Japanese language can be in various things also. So, but the novel should have, for example, instead of artist, if there is a, you can stop presenting. You can. So now see, if there is an artist, painter, had he been a karate person, then it is okay. Or some of the language of karate is used by the writer in the novel, then it is okay. Otherwise, how do you see the connection? Language is there, but it might be in so many places. Why do you connect that?
Indeed, the novel
In novel, nobody is talking about karate. Had there been a single talk about karate, then also it is fine. You open a window that here there is a karate reference, and then you talk about that. Symbolically, karate is used in the novel, then you can connect. But because you have learned karate, that is not the answer that you have to connect this novel with
so
karate.
the time goes of war and all that. So if people are not having any weapons or anything to go on, then people might be inventing some ways that how can they fight the war and everything, fight with people even without weapons also. That if the
So what is that reference in novel? Novel people are fighting with weapons. No, they are dropping bombs. They are not fighting with karate. So if writer is imagining that had there been no bombs but only karate, it would be good that at least buildings will not be destroyed. People would not die, mass massacre. People will fight karate and they can break their arms and other people's neck, but they cannot destroy buildings, and that there is no such reference. So there is also, you have to keep in mind that when you read literature, what part of that you are connecting with the other thing. That is the point of literary sensibility, that how to connect. The knowledge is all about connecting dots, but how well are you connecting? That is very important. That with what you are connecting, that displays your deeper understanding of both the things. In this case, karate and the novel both can be deeply understood when you connect those things also. Okay, fine. So we end our session here. I request everybody to quickly mark, do your marking, so I don't have to remind you afterwards. Yes, everybody. Anjali has not made presentation, so by mistake, do not see that you are marking Anjali also, who has not made presentation. Yeah. And do it quickly so that I don't have to put a message to anybody regarding this. Okay? And we are ending this session here. Okay?